Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are incredibly excited to unveil a powerful yet remarkably simple web application designed to streamline your user management, especially for small and medium businesses within Google Workspace. Imagine managing all your website or application users directly from a familiar Google Sheet without the complexities of traditional databases or hosting. That's exactly what the solution offers. This login and sign up Google Sheet acts as a secure backend for our web application. It intelligently organizes all essential user data, name, email, their securely hashed passwords, ensuring robust security, their account type, a specific URL for post login redirects, OTP for password recovery, and basically expiration time for the password recovery OTP, their status of their email verification, along with their unique verification tokens and a unique salt for each password. Let's see how new users can easily join your platform. On the sign up section, you can create an account. We have straightforward fields for name, email, and password. I'll quickly input some details for a new user. First, to showcase its intelligence, we'll attempt to register with an email that's already in our system. So in this case, we'll use this particular email address. The application instantly detects it and displays a clear email already registered message. This prevents duplicate accounts and maintains data integrity. Now let's try with a fresh, unique email and click sign up. Excellent. We see registration successful. A verification link has been sent to your email. Please verify your email to login. Behind the scenes, in our Google Sheet, the new user's details are instantly recorded. Notice their password is securely hashed and their status is marked as pending. A unique verification token is also stored here, linking directly to the email sent to the user. The user then simply navigates to their email inbox. Here's the verification email with the unique link. Upon clicking this link, the email is instantly verified. And just like that, back in our Google Sheet, the user's status automatically updates to verified. This streamlined process is simple for users and secure for your business. Now that we have a verified user, let's demonstrate the login process. But first, let's try logging in with an email that has not yet been verified. The system intelligently blocks the login, stating your email is not verified. Please check your inbox for the verification link. And notice it also provides a convenient reset verification email button, making it easy for the users to reactivate their accounts if they missed the first email. A new verification link has been sent to your email, and you can see that the verification token and the status is pending. Now with a securely verified account, entering the correct credentials results in a swift login. Login successful and a seamless redirection to a designated destination URL, for instance, our add-ons website. This could be your internal dashboard, a client portal, or any resource that you want verified users to access. And what if a user forgets their password? Our system provides a robust and secure recovery process. Clicking Forget Your Password opens a modal prompting for the registered email. And click on Send OTP. An OTP or a one-time password is instantly sent to the user's email address on file. As you can see, in a Google Sheet, you will see the unique OTP generated and stored along with its 10-minute expiry time. The user receives the OTP in their inbox. They then simply input this code into the Enter OTP model and click on Verify OTP. Upon verification, the system confirms it's successful. Our system prioritizes user security by immediately prompting them to change the password. This is a vital best practice for modern password recovery. I'll set a new secure password and I'll click on the reset password. But before that, we can see that the password is stored in a securely hashed format and it will be updated when we update our password. Password is reset successfully and the model automatically closes. And we can see the password is updated over here. And we can also see that the OTP and the date of expiry columns are cleared now, so ensuring that it cannot be reused. The user can now confidently log in with their newly established credentials. Another feature of this system is that you can block access to any user. So, for example, if you set blocked in the type and this particular user tries to log in, so he will be given a message that your account has been blocked and please contact support. In this way, you can manage your users and block them if you don't want them to log into the system. This powerful yet remarkably easy to manage user authentication system is a game changer for small and medium businesses like yours. You can leverage the familiar, accessible power of Google Sheets that you already use and say goodbye to complex databases. All of your data of the users is securely managed in one place, and robust password hashing and essential email verification gets you the enhanced security features in the system. And it is Google's Workspace friendly and designed for seamless integration into your existing Google environment, making it a natural fit for your existing workflow. Plus, it's a scalable and highly cost effective solution for growing businesses. And this user management system is just one example of how our tools can empower your business. With Google Workspace, we develop a suite of innovative add-ons designed to supercharge your productivity and efficiency. First, explore our AI Assist for Gemini in Sheets and Docs and Forms add-on, which can enhance your productivity with AI-powered content creation, data analysis, intelligent automation across your Google Workspace applications. And you can also streamline your recognition efforts with our add-on smart certificates, which automates the generation and distribution of personalized certificates directly from your Google form responses. And for your physical organization needs, our smart label maker helps you easily design and print custom labels from your Google Sheet data, making inventory and mailing a breeze. You can use our smart mail merge add-on to merge customized documents for your users from a Google Sheets data or from Google Form responses. Find these and many more by searching our add-ons directly in the Google Workspace Marketplace or visit our website gwaddons.com for more detailed information and to unlock even more solutions for your businesses. We hope this demo has clearly shown you the immense potential of integrating powerful web applications with the simplicity and accessibility of Google Sheets for secure user management. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative Google Workspace solutions. You can find the complete source code for this project absolutely free in the video description below. Thank you for watching.